Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a treat for you guys. Today we're going to make tacos. Just not any tacos, we're going to make tacos al pastor. So let's get started. So for ingredients, our main ingredient for today is going to be this meat right here. This is pretty much pork and it's seasoned with a special seasoning that you can get in the Mexican meat markets, and they're called carnicerias, or you can also find it in the Mexican food grocery stores. But I like to go to a Mexican food store, carniceria, that I like to go to, and they have that there, and it's already seasoned, ready to go. And it is pork. It is seasoned with cumin, onions, chili pepper. That's what gives it this red color. And it's achote, that's what they call it. And sometimes they'll put chipotle chili in it to give it this nice red color. And let's get ready to cook it. So what I have here, I have my skillet ready, nice and hot. So we're going to go ahead and put some oil in there. There we go. Let's get our meat. Let's put this in there. These are going to be so good, you guys. I love these tacos. So here we are. And then you don't need to put salt in this because they put seasoning salt in there also. So we're not going to salt it or else it'll be too salty. But we are going to be putting garlic powder in here. And you know, my cooking is all about flavor. So we're going to put some garlic powder. We are going to be putting some ground black pepper. And you know how I do it, the palm of the hand. That's how we measure. Right? And then you mix it. Let me put you guys closer here. You guys see that? And it's just seasoned pork. That's all it is. Now when you make tacos al pastor, they'll slice pineapple in here, but I don't have any right now, so we'll just do it like this without the pineapple. It's like it gives it a little sweetness and a little acidity in it. So, but it's your choice if you want to put pineapple or not. To be honest with you, I don't really like fruit in my meat, so this is fine with me. And that's all it is. Red chili pepper, chipotle, dry onion powder, garlic, cumin, and that's how they season it. And that's why the meat is red. Red chili paste sometimes they put in it. And like I said, you can find this meat in any Mexican restaurant, meat market, or a Mexican food store. All right, so while our meat's cooking, okay, I'm going to show you something else that we're going to be doing. And it smells good already, you guys. Look at that. Nice, right? Okay, so we're going to be needing also cilantro. And I chopped this cilantro with some onions, and you can also drop a little bit of lime juice in it to give it an extra flavor. That's all it is, onions and cilantro, nothing else. You're going to need your tortillas. You're going to need guacamole. Now this guacamole right here, I made it specially for these tacos. It is not a chunky guacamole. It's a very smooth guacamole, and I'll do it in another video for you guys. And this is made especially for tacos. I love it. So let's go back over here, and I'm going to be showing you guys. Hi there. I'm going to be showing you guys a salsa that we're going to be making just for these tacos. Okay, so what I have here is a tomato cut in fours, an onion, garlic, and I have these red chilies right here. These chilies are called chile de árbol. It's like a size of maybe a cayenne pepper, and it's dry. And we're going to use it like this. We're not going to cook it. It's going to be dry like this. You're going to be needing some oregano and some salt. Okay. And of course some water. So we're going to get our blender. And in our blender, we're going to be making this salsa. We're going to put our dried chilies. They're called chile de árbol, which in English translation, it means chilies from a tree. You're going to be putting your tomato, your onion, a tablespoon of garlic. Remember, guys, I buy it already minced for me like that because, like I said, I don't like to put my fingernails inside garlic. I don't want the smell of garlic in my fingernails. And then we're going to put a pinch of oregano in there to give it nice flavor. And then we're going to put a little bit of salt also. Measure with your palm of your hand. You don't want to put too much salt because you don't want it too salty. Like this. Put it in there. Okay. And then you're going to just put not too much water because you don't want it to be watery. Like there's those fast food restaurants, again, that they make this kind of salsa for your fast food burritos, tacos, whatever they serve, and they make it too watery, and it really doesn't give it very good flavor. So we're just going to put a little bit of water in there. Not too much. You don't want it too watery. And then we're going to put it in our blender. And we'll start blending. While that's blending, we're going to look at our meat. I hope you guys can hear me. Come back over here, y'all. Here's our meat. Let's go back to our salsa. And it's ready. Look at that. Look at this salsa. Now you can put as many chilies as you want in there if you like it spicy or not too spicy. It's up to you guys. But you know how it rolls in our house. We like spice. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in our little mason jar. Check it out. Oh my God, that is spicy. Woo, made me cough. Look at that. And that's how you make salsa for tacos. Isn't that beautiful? Smells spicy, y'all. Let me show you. Look at this. What do you guys think? Looks good, right? For your tacos, burritos, anything. Yes. This, it's beautiful. I love it. It smells good too. Made me cough though. All right, let's keep an eye on this meat now. Our meat's almost done. Look at this. Now, our meat's just about done. It doesn't take too long to cook. And I want to put a little bit right here on the side, right here, because I'm going to use some of the grease from here to warm up our tortillas. Now you can either put them like that and let it cook, and it's with the same grease from the meat, which tastes delicious, by the way. Or you can put it in your comal like that. There we go. We're gonna tortilla, flip it. Look at that. You tell me that doesn't look good. And we're gonna start assembling our tacos. You guys want some? Come on over. Oh, that's wonderful. Flip this. So we're going to do one like this, and then we're going to do the other ones like this in the skillet. Oh, it looks good and it smells good. I can't wait. Get these out. Take that out, put it in the plate, and then we're going to start assembling them. Alright. So we got these. This is the one we cooked with the meat. These are the ones that we just put in the comal. Let's start filling it up. Oh, that looks good, y'all. Turn off my stove. We don't want our meat to burn. And then we're going to start dressing them up. Look at this. You put your cilantro in here. Oh, it looks good, huh? And then you put your guacamole in here. And of course, we have our delicious salsa we just made. Look at that, y'all. Tacos al pastor. Anybody say I want one? And then for extra delicious flavor, we are going to be putting a little bit, a squeeze of a lime juice. So I'm cutting up a lime right now. Look at this. That looks good, right, y'all? And there you have it. Tacos al pastor. Ready to eat. Looks good, right? Let's give them a try. All right. Which one should we try first? The one that got cooked with the meat juices, or one that was just put in the skillet? I guess we can do both, right? All right, let's give it a try. You guys, these are good. Put a little bit of salt in there. That is good, y'all. Now let's try the one that cooked in the oil. Those are good, y'all. Make them at home. They're delicious, easy to make. That salsa's got a kick. And enjoy. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. Leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.